My name's Ethan Davies. I grew up in North Wales. My mum works in admin and my dad's a plumbing and heating engineer. I always dreamt of being in the army when I grew up, but now I work in manufacturing in the aircraft industry. It's brilliant. When I was at school, I didn't really bond well with the academic studies. I struggled, but I really enjoyed the hands-on lessons like D&T. And that is what I do day to day, is create things. At school, I was a bit of a grey child. I wasn't one that got the attention. I wasn't really good at the academic studies, and I wasn't on the naughty end of the spectrum. I would go and I would do my daily work. That meant that I didn't get the attention that maybe some of the other kids did. So I would really have to put my own effort in to do what I wanted to do, and if I wanted to learn something, I'd go home and I'd ask my dad, and he'd have to work out what he wanted to get from it, and he would teach me. That was probably the most difficult thing that I've had to do, is do a lot of my learning on my own to work out what I couldn't in school. University was an option for me. I decided not to go because I wanted to do the hands-on skills, because that's what I enjoy. My parents said, whatever you want to do, we will support you doing it. I said I want to get an apprenticeship, and they said that's brilliant. That's what my dad did when he was younger, so I've kind of followed in his footsteps. I believe that the apprenticeship was the right route for me. I've enjoyed every minute of it. My biggest bit of advice would be to do what you love. It doesn't matter about money. It doesn't matter about anything that anyone else thinks. If it's something that you love, that's exactly what you want to be doing. School don't necessarily offer all of the pathways that are available to you, so get down to places like the Skills Show and see what is available for you to make a career of. I initially heard of WorldSkills UK and through my college, Cambria, and they said, you know, you're good at what you do, can you come and showcase your skill? So I said, yeah. I came and showcased CNC milling at the Skills Show in 2014. And now, you know, I'm mentoring the future generation of apprentices in my company. My skill area is probably one of the biggest used technology in modern day life, but nobody really knows about it. I build aircraft automation robotics. Every day I will be making something completely different. There is never a day that is the same. In the future, I can go down the design route, designing aircraft components, robotics, with the skills that I've learned. I could stay down the manufacturing route, working with carbon fibre, which allows me to work in Formula One, in aerospace. There's lots of different industries that are really asking for people with manufacturing skills, and that's what I've got, so it's brilliant.